Hi, my name's Karen E. Wells and welcome to this professional, fully accredited yoga teacher training course. This course has been created by myself and another co-instructor, Lisbeth Skovman-Nielsen. So together we're bringing you an amazing course on all of the techniques to do with yoga. This course is aimed at anybody that's already a yoga enthusiast, so they might want to really start to move into and take that passion of yoga and move into a fully rewarding career to help others and to give them the basics and really start to teach others everything about yoga. Or it could be that you already have a knowledge of yoga and you want to look more in depth at a lot of the techniques, including breathing, the postures and the poses. The video modules here are going to look very in-depthly at a lot of the poses, the standing postures, the twists and back bends, and everything that you need to be able to take your knowledge even deeper, or as I say, to work as a teacher within this incredible field of yoga. We've got a fully comprehensive training manual, so I want you to work through that as well as watching the video modules, and all of that comes together with a final assessment for you to get your qualification. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on that first module, so have a great day.